Hmm? I'm all shaky. I wish I had a piggy nose. I'd be like, hello, I'm Miss Piggly Wiggly.
My name's Kylie.
I'm a piggy.
I fixed my hair really fast. Bro.
Chicken poo. I love you.
Cooper. Cooper.
Poopa.
Poopy. Come. Cooper. Up.
Just my baby. It's okay. We're alive.
No, I don't like my hair today.
I like my dog. My hair is poop. Poop fart. I got a burp. Jeez, nothing came out.
I burped so much last night. I fart when I'm nervous.
Really? I hate when that happens. And you're like, oh yeah, blah blah. Oh,
You'll be
oh,
like-
I got a fart.
You're like,
And you're
oh
trying
my
to
god,
hold
the
it in.
twilight coming over!
And you're like, and then
Carly,
you
what
have,
is that smell?
That's the dog. Yum yums. Cooper.
I would say a thing, I turn around and I never see that man again.
Again.
Never again.
Never.
I don't care.
That's my mom's magazine.
That wasn't me.
Bite marks.
Is
It
that
was the
really
dog.
bite marks? That was
It was the dog.
definitely.
Anyways.
I want to bite myself really hard. Ow!
I still have cuts.
You can't see. Oh, a little.
She's a shark. I don't like the rain.
Your eyebrows.
Wow, this video is 3, almost 4. It's 4 minutes long.
Let's make it a really long one.
Yeah, this one is gonna be really long.
What if I put my hair like this? Like way on top.
Like a
that
who?
looks so bad.
Like a Who from Whoville.